Namaste all the students from 8th standard, 15th chapter area. In this lecture we are going to learn area of a circle. Let us do an activity. First you have to draw a circle using compass on your rough page. Okay. Then we have to divide that circle in equal parts like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 16. So you have to take specific radius here and you have to also measure circumference of a circle. So radius and circumference should be measured. After that you have to draw a rectangle on your notebook. Rectangle with length pi r means half of circumference and breadth equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, now you have to cut all pieces, all 16 pieces. You have to arrange that pieces on the rectangle like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So what is your observation here? Yes, all the area of the circle is covering all the area of the rectangle. Means area of circle is equal to area of rectangle. So you know the formula for area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So length is pi r and breadth is r. So pi r into r, that is pi r square. So area of a circle is pi r square. And after understanding the formula for area of a circle, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and area of a circle is pi r square. You have to use these two formula. Also you have to know that the diameter of a circle is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, now let us solve some examples. If the radius of a circle is 21 centimeter, then find its area. Now we have given here r is equal to 21 centimeter and we have to find a means area of a circle. Do you know the formula for area of a circle? Yes, a is equal to pi r square. Therefore it is equal to, now for phi you can take the value as 22 upon 7 or 13.14. So take suitable value so that the calculation will be easy. Here radius is 21 centimeter and 21 is divisible by 7. Therefore we will take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7 into r square, that is square of 21. So it is equal to 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. So 7 1 is 7 and 7 3s are 21. Now 22 into 3 into 21, that is 66 into 21. 1 into 66 66 and 2 into 6, that is 12. 1 is the split. 2 into 6, that is 12 and 1, that is 13. So 1386. So that is the answer of the given question. And you know that the unit of area is square centimeter here, square centimeter. So a means area of a circle is 1386 square centimeter. Okay, now next, second problem. Area of a circular ground is 3850. Find the radius of a circular ground. Now here we have given the area, which is 3850 square meter, and we have to find radius. So which formula is useful here? Of course, the formula for area. A is equal to pi r square. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Therefore 3850 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Now value of r is unknown here, so r square is equal to 3850 into, now multiply 3850 with the reciprocal of 22 upon 7, that is 7 upon 22. Now divide. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 5 is the remainder, 5 and 5 55, 11 5s are 55. So again divide by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So 175 into 7, r square is equal to 1225. Okay, now taking square root on both the side, r is equal to the square root of 1225 is 35. So radius of circle is equal to 35. That is the answer of given question. Now, after understanding formula for circumference, formula for area, and some practice examples, you have to solve practice set 15.6. There are 4 examples in this practice set and show it to your subject teacher. Okay, thank you.